In this video, I will show you how to create an offer in Kajabi. So the first step to creating your offer in Kajabi is to open up your account and go to the sales section right here. Then once you click on sales, you will see 4 different options right here, one of which is offers. So when you click on offers, you can go ahead and create a new offer by clicking on new offer right here. Then here you can give the offer a title, then you can choose a product. So you will already need to have created some products. So as you can see, I have this product, for example. So I'll just select this one and then click on continue. Now you can price your offer. So you can either do free or paid. And if you want to do paid, you need to connect Kajabi payments to accept credit or debit cards and Apple Pay and Google Pay. So I'll set it to free for now. Then you can click on save and finish. Now you can add the details of your offer. So you can do an internal title, description, you can choose the products, the product access, post-purchase, whatever you want to add in. And when you make a change, you want to click on save. And here you can also edit the checkout page. So this is what the checkout page looks like right now for this specific offer, but you will want to change this text. So they give you a little outline that you can work off of, and it's really easy to do. So that's how to create an offer in Kajabi. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.